Alright, so I'm gonna get right into it. These are the products that I used. I used ponytail holders. Then I'm gonna get into the edge control. This is the fucking go. I'm so happy AALIYAH J put me on to this shit. Then I'm gonna go into Pro Style Gel. Got to be glue, sis. Alright, so in this part, I'm just applying the Ebon Edge Control onto my hair generously. I'm putting that shit all over because my hair needs to be slick. Alright. It's all about that grip, sis. Look at those muscles. Grip that, sis. You get me? I just added some got to be glue to glue down my hair so that shit does not move and it stays in place. I'm putting that all over. So in this clip, I got some braiding hair from the beauty supply store, and I took a little piece out and added my rubber band and put it through the loop so it can be a little loop so like the hair doesn't move or anything. And I'm just gonna attach that to my little ponytail so I have a big bun, not a little bun. My bed is short bed for you dripping on me. So I'm gonna go in with the Pro Style Gel to fleek my edges. Alright, so here I'm showing off the hair that I got. It was only $11. It was some trash ass hair. It only lasted for 1 day, and after that it got really nappy, so I do not recommend this. I feel like there's probably some websites you can order Brazilian ponytail with the drawstring. The drawstring is really fucking easy, like, and it attaches that ponytail, girl. Okay, so you clearly have to attach that ponytail, but you don't want to pull it too hard like me because then your ponytail comes off. But it's okay. You know that I could be the perfect young nigga for you. Baby girl, your love got me tripping on you. You know my love is big enough, got you tripping on me. Yeah, it's big enough, got you dripping on me. Dripping on me. My bed is short bed for you, dripping on me. Dripping on me. I got a little help for this part because I really wanted to make sure that ponytail was secure, and I just needed some help. Then the next time your friend would I done put in work. So in this clip, I'm just making a genie to go around ponytail to make it look more natural. I can't keep bottling it in. I'm addicted to you. Your love, I gotta have. Ain't trying to waste it. You got me running around and I never chase it. Your face so pretty to me, makeup ain't make it. Your face so pretty to me, makeup could make it. But I think that I'm done tripping. I'm tripping. I've been sipping. That's how I control this feeling you keep giving, and I keep on hitting it. You know that I could be the perfect young nigga for you. Baby girl, your love got me tripping on you. You know my love is big enough, got you tripping on me. Dripping on me. It's big enough, got you dripping on me. Dripping on me. And slay. Dripping on me. My bed is short bed for you, dripping on me. Dripping on me.